Hello. Yeah, Madhusudan, I've sent you the link. Join first. Yeah, hello, Madhusudan.
Yeah, hello, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry for.
No, it's okay. Okay, Madhusudan, I guess we are late today. Let's start
Hmm.
directly. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
as you know, today's topic is Vimeo.
Yes, sir.
Vimeo, Vimeo. So, have you heard
Yes,
of
sir.
Vimeo?
Yes, sir. I think yes, sir. It is a video editing software. I heard it.
It is a
That means creating videos, editing and creating videos.
okay, video editing software. You're saying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
It,
sure.
it is not like a professional video editor app. It is similar to just a Kind Master. You have heard of the Kind Master?
Okay, so which one is? Have you ever used Vimeo?
Sir, I have tried to use, but there many login issues has made me to not use it.
Hmm. So, you haven't used Vimeo till now.
No, sir. I have downloaded 3 times, but something went wrong. Something went wrong. Message was coming. So I
Okay, so let me tell you, Vimeo was once a loss-making company. Okay, Vimeo
sir.
was once a loss-making company, and then in 2017, uh, the general manager of the company named Anjali Sood. She is an Indian. Okay, Vimeo is an
Yes, sir.
American company actually. It's not an Indian
Yes.
company.
Uh,
And Anjali Sood, she was the Indian woman who was the manager of the company.
yes, sir.
She took the initiative to uh, transform it from a loss making to a profit making company. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then she transformed the company, and now Vimeo is growing at a very high rate. Vimeo
Yes,
is
sir.
not a loss making company anymore. It has growth at a tremendous rate. And all credit goes to that manager, Anjali Sood, because
Yes, sir.
she took the initiative and she took the hard work. And she was not the founder of the company. She was not the founder. She was just the employee. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now, because of her hard work, now she is the CEO of Vimeo.
Now see you, sir.
Yeah. So here the lesson is that, okay, Madhusudan, tell me that, let's say you got a job, okay, you are working in a
Yes, sir.
company.
Yes, sir.
So now let's say that your company is running in a loss, and it is
Yes, sir.
not your company, it is another person company. You are working as an employee, okay, it is not your
Yes, sir.
company. Now
Yes,
it
sir.
is running in a loss, and on the other hand, the company can shut down at any time, okay.
Yes, sir.
And on the other hand, you have got many other job offers. You can
Yes, sir.
easily transfer to another company. You can easily resign from that company and get shifted to another company. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
in that case, what would you do? Would you resign from the company and start a new job, or would you help that company to grow or to save that company?
Yes, sir. Sir, basically, a logic for joining any company for as an employee is that you should have the interest on working anything on that company. Means, suppose if you join any company, you should be working for it. Means, it can close or open. It is different matter, but you should be working with it. Means you have to give so much interest. Then you have to join to any job. According to me, this is my logic, which I have using from past few years. Means not for job, but some making some models and something else. And the question you asked that would you resign or not? I can say that I wouldn't resign it
You would not want to
because
resign.
yes sir, yes sir, because they have kept they have kept at okay, they have kept me as a trustworthy person, and they believed me, they are believing me as an employee, so they have joined me to that company, so they can believe in us that much. Means that we can improve this business or that company, then why can't we believe on that company that it would make such a tremendous profit? So this should be in every employee's mind. Then only company will reach its peak of success. So basically, the answer is yes. No, I wouldn't resign the company which is undergoing loss or which may shut in few 2 to 3 days.
Oh, so you won't resign.
No, 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 I won't resign.
Okay, so what would you do to save that company?
Yes, sir. First thing what I will do means first I will uh, search in our own company. Means I will search the problem, where is the problem and why the problem is causing, and what would be the solution. I would make some 2 to 3 group, and I would leave them for the collection of solutions, and many solution will come, and we'll select and one, or we can what can we do, majority rules the party, like that. Yes sir.
Okay, so let's say that you have taken the initiative to save that company. Okay,
Yes
but
sir.
now the problem is that since you are not the founder of the company, you see the
Yes sir.
founder gets to make all the decision. The founder or the CEO, they make all the
Yes sir.
decision. So
Yes
now
sir.
you have taken the initiative to save that company.
Yes
But
sir.
the thing is that if you want to save that company, then you have to make your own decision. Okay, you have to make your own decision, and you have to run the company by yourself, by your own brain. But
Yes
now
sir.
the thing is that the founder or the CEO, now since they are the founder of the company, they are not letting you take decision.
Yes sir.
Okay, since you're an employee, they are not letting you take decision. They are taking the decision all by themselves. So in
Yes sir.
that case, how would you convince them to trust on you?
Sir, what I am going to say, this would feel you like a joke, but I think this would work. Means in cinemas and all, you have seen that the scene will be not there, but they will create that scene. Means suppose uh, real experience, you would give a real experience. Means suppose if the business is going under loss, and you are making creating an example. Means I would bring any other person and I would give him some money, and I will tell him to act like this and make him like that and all. And finally, he would analyze that, oh, if I close this company like this, many employees will be at, means they'll be affected. I don't want to close this company. I want to help them. So like this idea will arise in their mind. And the number two is, if that also not works, well, no, no, sorry. Number three, this should come in the number three. Number two is making some meetings and making good decisions. And number three is protest, labor protest, and filing a case in the court. Yes, sir. This is what I can do, or I would be doing.
Okay, so Madhusudan, tell me, have you did you saw the ad on Vimeo on YouTube? Because you see, mostly when you play a video on YouTube, at first the ads come of Vimeo
Yes, sir.
that you
Yes,
have
sir.
created a video, now make a video recording. No, you have created a business, now make a video out of it, like that.
Yes, sir.
You have saw the ad?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so did you see the whole ad or did you skip the ad after 5 seconds?
So no, 5 seconds. Something interesting was there. So okay, means I was having a Premiere Pro for a video editing and After Effects, but I was not then expert as I am now. So I was using some other platforms. So when I saw the ad, I really shocked that we can means like this also a software is there. I was not knowing. I searched. Everything was full of watermarks, and I, according to me, it was not helpful. So then I realized that I should use this app, whatever it may be. But I tried to install, but it didn't install. So that was the problem.
So anyway, so tell me, what did you understood by the video? What was the video trying to explain? Can you explain it in brief?
Means, sir, suppose you're making any business. Suppose if you want to sell a mobile phone, then you have then if you are not a professional at video editing and all, for that you have to go choose some professional video editors, and you have to give money, and you have to spend more budget on it, and your money will be wasted. So according to me, if you use such as Vimeo platforms, it is easy. Means you can upload directly. There will be templates and all. You can directly upload to that, and it will automatically generate your video like that. It is somewhat like that. According to I understand it like that.
So anyway, Madhusudan, can you give any more example like Vimeo, which the company was once a very loss-making company, and then suddenly it grew at a much larger scale, just like Vimeo. Can you give any more example?
Means I have not seen any company relevant to that. No, sir. No, I can't because I have not seen. And from previous year, I am somewhat googling and searching and all, and like that. I started from the previous year, so I am not familiar.
Okay, so Madhusudan, now Vimeo is the competitor of YouTube. Okay, Vimeo is
Yes,
the
sir.
video making company. YouTube is also a video making company. Now let's say in
No, no,
future,
no, sir.
if
Sir, YouTube is video uploading, no, sir. How can it
you also,
can't create?
yeah, whatever it is, video. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
so let's say in
Means
future,
instead of saying YouTube, you can say others, suppose KineMaster and Premiere Pro, After Effects, Adobe Brush, and like that. Many are there. So,
no, what I'm trying to say is that in YouTube you can watch video, in Vimeo also you can watch video. Okay,
yes, sir. Yeah,
both are
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
places where content creator can upload video.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the thing is that let's say in future Vimeo grow at a very high rate and it become very popular. So in
Yes, sir.
that case, would you forget YouTube?
No, sir. No, 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 no,
Now,
no.
let's say it becomes much more better than YouTube, much more comfortable and much more reliable than YouTube. So
No,
in
no,
that case,
sir.
would you forget YouTube?
No, sir. Then no, you. I have never heard that. Like YouTubers, you have seen some YouTubers. They are leading their life using their YouTube. You know that, sir. They are earning money through YouTube. But I have never heard that a person is earning money through Vimeo. Means he's creating videos and stuff and some stuff and is uploading to that, and is not he is earning money like what you are earning in the YouTube. And yeah, sir, that is I have never heard. So I think that the people would not prefer that. Means if they also prefer that, more people would not go to the Vimeo. They will stay at the YouTube only, sir.
Okay, anyway, Madhusudan, thank you
Yes,
for
sir.
coming. Let's end the session today. We can meet again tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Thank you. It's a good night, sir. Bye.